Good morning, students. Welcome to the online lecture of our class 4 maths. In the last lecture, we have seen a concept about secret messages in which the ABCD are written in the form of numbers, right? So today we are going to see another method of secret messages. So here you can see that some of the group of friends have written something in the paper. Here you can see IF, MMP, IPX, BSF, ZPV. Okay, we can't understand this, right? So, W and Jagu are playing a game. They are writing some secret messages, but Kahuli is not able to understand them. So, Jagu explained the rule. So, what is the rule here of the game? Let's see. Jagu said, "You see, we have changed each letter by its next letter. That is, we write G in place of F or O in place of N." See here. What they have done, they will write a letter which is next to the written letter. Okay. For example, we have to write G. We have to write G. Then we will write H. Okay. In this way, if we have to write N, then we will write O. Okay, the letter which we have to write the letter which is next to the letter. Okay, that is the rule here. See, we have changed each letter by its next letter. Okay, let's take one example of this. If we have to write hey, okay, we have to write hey. So, H, the next letter to the H is I. So, I, the next letter to the E is F, right? The F is the next letter to the E. So, I, F, and the letter next to the Y is Z. So, here Z. So, our secret message will be IFZ. So, those who will be knowing the rule, they will understand IFZ means hey. Okay. Now, here also one example is given of yes become ZFT. Okay, let's see that also. Let's write yes. Y E yes. Y E S. Okay. So the next letter to the Y will be Z, right? The next letter next to the E is our F, and the next letter to the S is our T. So the secret message will be Z, F and T. Here it is written. Okay. Pauli. Oh, now I understand. Pauli, see what I have written. Here what they have written. XF, BSF, GS, JF, OET. Now we have to decode this. Okay. Now let's try this. Let me write X, F, then B, S, what is written here? BSF, then G, S, J, F, O, E, T. Okay. So now let's see. Now see here the format is X. Okay, so here the X. Now for which letter we will write X for W? So here our answer will be W. Then F. F is here. So for E we are going to write F in the coded language. So here our V will come. So the word form is V. Then here B. So for B we will write A, and for S we have R. So here R will come, and for F we have again V. So here it is written VR. Now moving to the other word, here G. Then if G is written, then which word will come? F, right? F. Then for S, R will come. Then for J, what will come? I. So here I. Then for F, E will come. Then for O, what will come? N, right? And then for E again D will come, and for T S will come. So this is the secret message. We are friends, right? So this is how we can decode the message. Now what you have to do in your homework, you have to decode this message. What was Kahuli's secret message that we have written? Then we can write here, we are friends. What did Shablu and Jaggu write? So this all coded message you have to decode it and write in your homework. Okay, moving to the another page, upside down. Aisha is playing. She is showing her friend that she can stand on her head. Anisha is playing with this card. Draw that what it will look like when it is upside down. Now see here what is going to be there. Now this number will first come over this side. Okay, this whole direction, see this direction of these leaves are upper side, right? So that first will be in the down side. This leaf will be also in the downward side. This leaf will be also in the downward side, right? So this will be how the figure will be formed, that you can do in your homework. Now here the next thing is floor patterns. Have you ever seen a floor with the tiles of these shapes? Yes, we all have seen. These designs are made by covering the floor completely with the tiles that fit into each other without any gap. Okay. So now you cover this floor with this tile. Okay, now what you have to do? See here a pattern is formed. What you can do like this way. Okay. So if you wish, in this textbook you can draw this. Okay, like this way. Now moving to the next, that is B. Try with the green tile without leaving the gap. Could you do and discuss with your friend? So first you try to do this in your homework. Okay, cover all the area, and in the next lecture I will give you the solution. Thank you.